Alright guys, so good morning. It is day 4 and unfortunately I am fishing by myself. Alexis woke up not feeling too good this morning, so she's going to go ahead and stay in bed. John had to end up, he was going to end up staying and taking care of his daughter. So it just ended up being me. So I'm out here. It is a late start. I don't think I actually started to leave from the boat ramp at about 8. Went kind of just looking around, saw some fish kind of feeding topwater, threw out a couple of lures, got some taps but no keepers. So yeah, so I'm just finally anchored up here and we'll see how we do. So I do have some shrimp. Have some shrimp with me, so I can get something. I actually brought that stingray bait, or the stingray fins. So I got one rod with the ray fillet, and I got another rod with just some cut mullet. And we're just gonna mess around to see what we do, see what we get. And yeah, that'll be it. That'll be our last day. I was gonna go out to the jetties today. That's what I wanted to do. That was the plan. We got some Dramamine. Took it last night. Took it this morning. But since it ended up just being me, I definitely did not want to go out there by myself. Just in case something happens, that water is very foreign to me. I don't want to be out there and have, some situation come up where I'm going to need some assistance. So I decided to just go and stay out here in the jetties. And sorry, not the jetties, but the bay, where it's pretty much like if I'm fishing at the lake. So yeah, so stay tuned. We'll see how we do. Hopefully we catch something. I don't know what I got, guys. Floating a shrimp on a popping cork. Oh. Cool. Nice speck. Might be a keeper. About 16 inches. Nice. Cool, let's see if I can get another one. So guys, I'm no expert, but there's been a lot of fish jumping, and I'm actually anchored up in about 10 feet of water. Let me make sure. Actually, no, I'm anchored in about 17 feet of water. But it's a very fast drop off, and where I'm throwing my lines, it doesn't seem far, but where I'm throwing my lines, it just like cranks right up to about 4 feet. And there's all these fish kind of just jumping around. Then I might have another one. Excuse the bad throw I threw. But yeah, there's all these fish jumping around. And I'm pretty sure it's all specks. Or at least specks and bait. Damn it. Okay. I gotta get some of these rods out of the way. It feels like a good one. That was with a dead shrimp. No, not a big one. Just a fighter. Yeah, not a keeper. They're hitting super fast. Basically a current, a pretty fast current running down that way. Look, already got a bite. So I'm just throwing it and letting the current take the bobber. Seems to be working. See if I can reuse the shrimp that he spat out. Not what we're looking for. Not what we're looking for. Skipjack, but we could use it for bait. So it might be a keeper. Nope, not a keeper, guys. A little short. Anyway guys, hope he's legal because he swallowed the bait. Nope, too small, about 14 3/4. a short one. Guys, they're all like 14 and a half. Oh. Hey babe. Probably same time. I've lost count of how many speckled trouts I've caught.
No way.
Yep.
That sucks.
But only one's been a keeper.
Oh, well, that's stupid.
Yeah. Well, they have to be 15 inches and they've all been like 14 and a half, 14 and a half, 14 3/4, but I mean, I don't know how many I've caught already.
Well, you already have 4, right? You have 4 fillets right now?
I have 4 fillets, yeah.
So you catch at least 2 more. That's dinner.
That's what I'm trying. It was the first 5 I caught. The first 5 I caught were all
You
keepers.
still got plenty of time. Yeah, plenty of time.
Jesus. And they haven't moved from the spot that I've been in.
Yeah.
Look, so look, I'm gonna throw the shrimp. Throwing the shrimp right now.
How did we do the specs last time? We could put them on the grill, didn't we?
I think we fried them. Look, so I just threw the shrimp and let's see.
Another one?
Already taking bites. Already taking bites. Like the shrimp's not even staying in the water 30 seconds. Crazy.
And where are you at?
Same place we were yesterday. Look, got another one.
Oh, okay.
Just I was driving up and I saw that there were a lot of fish were on the surface. So I stopped here and actually this is a finfish. And yeah, I've been just all damn day I've been catching.
That's good. They should have more.
Yeah. No, this is a finfish that I just got. Second one I got it. Yeah, I got 2 ladyfish also. Okay. All right.
Alrighty.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Love you.
Love you. Guys, I am gonna try and smoke a cigar. I've been non-stop since I started catching that first speck. I mean, it's like every cast in like 30 seconds we're getting a bite. And I've gotten already some ladyfish. I've gotten some pinfish. Gotten quite a bit of specks. I think I'm up to 15. I don't know where I'm at right now, but only one of them was legal. Everything else has been like 14 3/4, 14 and a half. I think there's been a couple that have been like 13s, but I mean they're just right under the legal size. Actually, you know what? I think legal size is 15 inch. I don't know. Let me check. Pretty sure it is. God, I hope so, because I just kept that one. I thought that's what I saw when I looked it up the other day. It's a nice app you can get, Outdoor Annual from Texas Parks and Wildlife. So it shows you pretty much all the fish you can keep. Yeah, 15 inches. So bag limit is 5. Has to be 15 inches to 25. I only wanted the 5. Man, if I could have got my limit already, I'd be trying to fish for something else. But as it stands, I'm still trying to get 4 more. I've caught that many fish. I just, like I said, they just haven't been keepers. So, we shall see. So my wife called me and I told her how many I had caught already, and she was just like, oh God. You know, it never fails. You know, when you have plans to go with somebody and then just something comes up and just you can't come. It seems to always happen that you end up catching a lot of fish. So we are catching a lot of fish, just not a lot of legal fish. So yeah, just go and stay tuned. See if we get any more. You know what, guys? So yeah, got one cut bait of ladyfish out there, or skipjack, whatever you want to call it. Got another piece over here. I brought my 2 pen reels. These are some pen battles I got. They're 6,000s. I brought them for when we go out to the jetties, but again, I couldn't get out to the jetty today because I didn't want to go by myself. But I have yet to catch a fish on these because they're brand new. So I'm going to throw one out on either direction, let them sit on the bottom. We're only fishing like 3 foot of water. I don't know what I'm going to get. I don't know if I'm going to get anything. But let them sit down there. Hopefully we can get something so I can say I caught a fish on these things. Be nice if I can get like a stingray on them. So yeah, I'm gonna have 2 of them out. One I put the head. I'm gonna end up using part of the body for the other one. We'll see if it works. That's what I was hoping for. Just wanted to test out this rod. I can't even pull the drag out of my hand. So whatever it is, probably gonna be big. I haven't felt it get stuck to the bottom. Oh, did I just lose it? Dang it! Oh no, it's still on there. Feeling a pop like it popped off, but it hasn't. Well, whatever it was, I got a 60-pound braid on this thing. Oh well, that's what happens. Just gotta try again. Alright guys, so I'm heading back. I'm already back into the marina. So I'm gonna go ahead and dock my boat. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of our 4th day. I actually thought I thought we were leaving on Sunday, but we actually are leaving on Saturday. So this is gonna be the last day of our trip. And you know, I was kind of hoping to get Alexis out here one more time, but like I said, she started getting sick last night, so she decided to stay in. I was really hoping to get some jetty fishing in, you know, maybe a little bit offshore. But you know, it just didn't work out. And like I said, we were planning on it today. We kind of prepared a little bit better for today. But with Alexis getting sick, then my buddy Johnny, he had to stay back. It just didn't work out. Like I said, I'm really not familiar with going offshore by myself. It's not something I want to try and do by myself. I want to make sure I have at least somebody with me in case something goes wrong. But still had a great day, man. Today, you know, was able to find the speckled trout. I ended up probably with about 15. I don't know how many I got on camera. And I got that one big, you know, fish, whatever I lost. I don't know, maybe a stingray, maybe a shark. I have no idea. I did get that on video when it busted my line. You know, it is what it is. But we got one keeper speck. I think we got 2 ladyfish got hooked up. Got a couple more hardheads. But all in all, you know, we had a real good time. You know, first time bringing the boat out in salt water. Every single day we caught something. So, you know, it was a pretty good day. You know, pretty excited about it. So hopefully, you know, it's something I can do more often. Probably like on my weekends off. You know, if I don't have any trips booked or we don't have any plans, you know, would love to come out here. You know, just even if it's a day trip, come out here, take the boat out, and just try and see how we do. But yeah, overall fun experience. Boat did real well on the bay, so I'm kind of excited about that. I at least know I can definitely do some, you know, inshore fishing. And then, like I said, hopefully we can do some offshore. So yeah, so ending it. Hope you guys liked the video. Oh, actually, I did catch a jellyfish. I didn't have that on video. I guess when I was reading my line in, I hooked up a jellyfish and he was stuck on the hook. But yeah, fun time. Enjoy the videos. It's gonna be, you know, 4 days worth. I'll try and update, you know, or not update, upload as much as I can, as quick as I can. And you know, Thursday I will be back out of the lake. I believe I'm going with a guy named Angel. He looked me up on YouTube. He's got a boat. He just bought a boat, if I recall correctly. He wants to, you know, kind of learn, you know, how to fish the lake. So I told him, you know, yeah, we can head out. So I think we booked 2 trips. One is going to be a redfish trip. I'll show him how to do that. Another one's going to be a catfish trip. So I'll show him how to drift fish, and then hopefully he can go out on his own and, you know, start catching some fish. But yeah, so enjoy the videos. It's our last day here. And like I said, I had a whole lot of fun. Sorry, Alexis, you got sick. But, you know, that happens. So yeah, gotta load up, clean the boat down, spray it off with some fresh water, and I will see y'all later. Bye.